Where'd everything go? I don't even know how to put this back. Okay. Oh yeah, so today I'm going to be installing this Flyscreen on my Royal Enfield Continental GT 650. The plan was to install this about 4 weeks ago. I haven't been delaying. I've just been super busy studying. I'm in dental school, so I'm just going to do it today. So originally, if you've seen one of my other videos, actually, I only have one video. I'm not that popular. I did a walkthrough of my Continental GT 650. And you probably noticed I didn't have like a windshield or a fly screen on it. The reason I purchased this was because I was driving like on some of the back roads and stuff. I had like a ton of wind on my chest, and I talked to some people and they said maybe installing a fly screen or a windshield. So I wanted something that wasn't going to take away from the overall look of the bike. So I wanted something small, and this is actually a little bit smaller than I thought it would be. We'll see how it looks, but anyways, I'm gonna install this today. What I'll do is I'll fast forward the video, kind of maybe just talk over it and highlight some key points of what I'm doing to install this thing. That way, if you're doing something similar, you can probably just follow along. Anyways, first things first, I'm gonna make some coffee, go to the garage, and then we'll get started. So like I said, I bought this from a dealer in India. Looks pretty good actually. So it must be genuine, right? So what do we have? Looks like we have like a little bit of metal work in here. There it is. Okay, that's small. I don't know if this is gonna do anything, but you know, it's here. Yeah, so I think the most important thing for me right now is just not electrocuting myself. I don't know about you guys, but I'm like super hyper organized. I gotta make sure everything's here. Yeah, I mean, I feel like this dealer was pretty legit, the one I found on eBay, so maybe I'll just post that guy's contact info in this video description. So the idea is to get this mounted on right here. And as you can see, it's kind of short, but maybe it'll work, you know. It's questionable, but we'll find out. So with the Enfield, it's one key for the ignition, same key for the compartment that gives you access to the battery. That's always a plus because we don't want to electrocute ourselves when we get to the headlamp. So let's go ahead and turn this off. I pretty much just wedged a box of gloves just from the garage in here to support the headlamp. I kind of realized that you need to take both of these indicators, disconnect it from the inside, but you need something to support this while you're working on that. And I didn't really think that through, so. This kind of reminds me of anatomy for some reason, where you gotta find your brachial plexus. You know, that's kind of like your nerve system that kind of comes down from your spinal cord and radiates in your arm. Goes all the way down here. Yeah, this is very similar to anatomy. I have no idea where this one is going though. No idea. So let's just make sure we connect everything before we put this together, because I would hate to take this apart again. And where'd everything go? I don't even know how to put this back. Okay. Oh yeah, so as far as the issue, I just used issue with holding this. I used a piece of duct tape to kind of keep it together since I didn't have an extra hand. And I lost where this is supposed to connect. I just went through the manual, how to make sure that everything that's supposed to be connected back together was connected back together. Just so I don't have to take this thing apart all over again and start from scratch. Alright, so we just went ahead and installed the fly shield on the Royal Enfield Continental GT 650. So just to recap of what we did, we had to go ahead, disengage the battery, then go to the headlamp, take out the indicator, so disconnect them from the wire connectors, and then feed those wires through the frame. That was probably the hardest part, mostly because I didn't know what I was doing. And then once we secured the frames on, we went ahead and attached this placard over the actual fly screen itself. So for someone experienced, it'd probably take you maybe 30 minutes, I'm guessing. This took me well over 2.5 hours, but I did take a coffee break. Let's see if I actually connected everything back together again. So we'll see if this thing turns on. And all right. All right, looks like it's working. I'll see you guys next time.